With the cost of living rising and tuition fees increasing, more and more students are turning to side hustles to make ends meet. This can really help supplement your income and pay off debts. There are endless opportunities for side hustles nowadays, and with a little bit of creativity and hard work, nearly anyone can find one that suits their skill set. Whether you're looking to start an online business or just want to pick up a few more shifts at a local restaurant, there are a lot of options available. If you're not quite sure where to start your search for the perfect side hustle, don't worry. I'm Kim, and I've got you covered. Here are 5 popular ideas for students looking to make some extra money. Number 1. Being a brand ambassador. A large number of businesses and organizations out there are continuously on the lookout for enthusiastic individuals to assist them in marketing their goods or services. If the company hired you as a brand ambassador, you would be responsible for promoting the company to potential clients and stirring up interest among their target market. This could involve interacting with people at events, handing out flyers or samples, posting about the company on social media, or even just interacting with people online about the business. In return, the company pays out wages and bonuses. This certainly goes a long way to help students offset the cost of living and educational expenses. Collaborating with a company as a brand ambassador can be super lucrative and flexible. Plus, you will have plenty of time to study. Number 2. Working as a tutor. Becoming a private tutor is a great way to bring in some additional income if you are knowledgeable in a specific field of study or subject matter. Many students are prepared to shell out money for private tutoring in the hopes of improving their grades or performing better on standardized tests. You can advertise your services on the internet, or you can even use word of mouth if you have friends or acquaintances who could use your help. Another possible source of income is coaching. A student can make money from coaching others on a wide range of subjects, such as physical fitness, mental health, professional development, and academic excellence. A practical way to make money through coaching is to set up a series of coaching sessions and receive payments from every participant. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. Did you know that YouTube is the most visited site in the world? It's no surprise then that there is a lot of money to be made on the platform. Starting your own YouTube channel can be a great way to earn some extra cash. There are a lot of YouTube creators out there who got their start when they were still in school. In order to make money on YouTube, you need to be able to create decent, high-quality content, so a creative mind and a little knowledge of video editing are required. The sky's the limit when it comes to how much you can earn on YouTube. If you put in the time and effort to grow your channel and gain subscribers, you can earn a lot from sponsorships and YouTube advertising. You won't be able to start earning right away, but once your channel has reached over 4,000 viewed hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can begin monetizing your content. Number 4. Create a blog. Undoubtedly, blogging is one of the best side hustles for students who want to make money while in school. The interesting thing about blogging is the fact that it is not as demanding as other gigs. You can work and still get good grades. In fact, students who blog can even learn a lot just by writing about their academic journey. To start and create your blog as a student, you can use CMS, Content Management System, like WordPress. It is the largest publishing platform on the planet and powers a good percentage of all websites. You can utilize WordPress without any limitation as to how much money you can make. It is possible to generate a lot of money by writing quality content, but being a blogger, of course, demands patience and consistency. Once the site starts generating good traffic, you can consider monetizing it. There are quite a number of options to choose from. For example, you could accept sponsored posts. This may seem obvious, but your Contact Us page will help you connect with potential partners fast. You would be surprised how many new bloggers forget to add their email address to their blog. Another available option is to apply for Google AdSense. You can get your site registered with different ad programs. Upon registration, you will be alerted when proper ads according to your site's content come in. You can show the ads as banners and charge them on a monthly basis. Most importantly, be sure to spend the bulk of your energy on publishing quality and enticing posts. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants perform all the duties of regular assistants, including scheduling appointments, responding to emails, making phone calls, and organizing events and trips. The only difference is that they do it all virtually from the comfort of their own homes. If you have an eye for details and organization, then it could be a side hustle for you. Since the pandemic began, more and more people are hiring virtual assistants to help them with tasks while they're not in the office. And assistants with previous administrative experience can hope to earn upwards of $20 per hour. You can start by searching on job boards and freelancer marketplaces like Upwork for roles that fit your experience and skill set. Apply and start earning in your free time. At the end of the day, side hustles are a convenient and productive way a student can make money and have enough time to study. Other benefits include helping students acquire new skills, network, and also pursue their passions. It's a win-win. No matter what kind of skills you have, give one of these side hustles a try. Enjoy learning something new. By the way, if you have a student loan and are thinking about how you can pay it down fast, then this video can show you how. Click the thumbnail, and I'll see you there.